So this last video is about why we chose this unit, or these bottles that you see here in front of us. And to explain that, and we'll talk about it a little bit, this is John Carroll. John is our design engineer here at Alkaway, and he picks up on everything that I miss. I get the big ideas, he makes them work. So John, we've had a bit of a journey with these, haven't we?
About up to 2 years, yes. 2 years of testing 20 plus bottles for hydrogen and to see whether they work or not. And we found that this is the only ones after the 20 plus bottles that actually produce results that we're happy with.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, there was a bit of I've learnt to wait with products and watch what happens in the market. And this is a classic, I've got to say, Chinese proliferation. There's dozens of them out there. But up until a year ago, they were all producing ozone and chlorine as a byproduct if there was any salt in the water.
That's right.
That was a problem. That's overcome beautifully on this bottle. And the other thing, they weren't actually producing a lot of hydrogen.
No, about what we found is about 0.6 parts per million.
That's right.
Yeah, which is not much at all.
About half of what an ultrastream will produce.
Yes.
So you've got your ultrastream, why would you do that?
Exactly.
However, what do we find with these babies? By the way, it's all the same factory, it's all the same system for hydrogenation in it, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. There is. These ones here, they all work on the same technology. They actually combine two technologies to produce the hydrogen water. And when we do have tested them, we test them in tap water, we test them in filtered water, and also distilled water. A lot of the bottles, those 20 that we tested, it failed on the tap water. Okay, so these ones do the whole lot. So it's RO water, and if you're into the ultrastream water, and they produce really good amounts of hydrogen.
I think some of them only produce hydrogen on distilled water.
Some of them, yes.
Which is very strange.
It is.
I don't understand that. I don't want to drink distilled water anyway. Why would I do that as compared to alkaline water? So yeah, crazy stuff. Yeah. And I mean, what's crazy to me is that these factories would actually produce something, put it out, and send you a sample. They must know it doesn't work.
Yeah.
What do they think you are?
Exactly.
And remember the guy that came in with the 2 bottles? He went into business with these 2 bottles. He said, "Here, you can have them because they don't work."
They don't work, yeah, exactly.
And I'm wondering how many people are out there having the placebo effect. You know, they've bought this thing, they're convinced it's producing hydrogen, they don't know how to test it, but look, there's bubbles, so it must be okay, and they're drinking it and they say, "Oh, I feel good now." Strange.
It's true. Another reason why we've gone with these bottles is that it can, you can put your own bottle on top of it. It's glass, it's not a plastic bottle, so it's from a cleaning perspective it's good, and from the environmental perspective it's good because you're not reusing plastic bottles. I just turned it on. This top kit comes off, and it comes with adapter rings that screw onto any bottle, any size you like, and it can.
You mean like a drink bottle?
A drink bottle that you can screw on.
That's very cool.
So you don't really need to take this whole thing with you.
Yeah.
All you need to do is take this. It comes with a cap that fits on there, fits in your purse or your
that's
car,
very cool.
and away you go. Yeah. So there's additional aspects of this model which helped us choose it as well.
So the thing for me is that I'm sure some people are asking, well, I've got an ultrastream, why would I buy this? And it's very simple. Look, I use hydrogen tablets, I use the ultrastream, and sitting meditating in the morning I use a hydrogen inhaler. There are no known side effects to getting more hydrogen. There's lots of benefits when you get enough hydrogen. There seems to be a tipping point.
Exactly.
So I'm totally committed to the hydrogen revolution, and you know I'm reaping the benefits. So for me, yes, I'd take my ultrastream water already 1.1 or something like that, put it in there and add more
and boost it.
Boost it. Yeah. I mean, I might even take it out of that and added a hydrogen tablet, because to me, the higher I can get, the better. But the big thing is, hydrogen is best fresh, as soon as it's made, because it's such a small molecule, it's starting to leave the bottle. So I can take that to work, fill it up, make it in 5 minutes, drink it straight away, get maximum benefit.
Exactly.
I love it. I love it. Now, the other question is, people might be thinking about buying, $4, $5, $6,000 water ionizer. The only documented independent test of an electric ionizer came in at 0.3 parts per million. Now, what that means is at 0.3, that's the minimum possible therapeutic dose you can have. So it also means it's parts per million per litre.
Yes.
It means that you've got to drink a heck of a lot even to get that 0.3. If you drink one glass, you really got to drink 4 glasses. So we're really happy about it. This is the sort of information we needed to find out to feel safe about supplying these bottles. We don't like unhappy customers, do we?
No.
Not at all.
And we want to provide products that are going to last as well.
Yeah.
And they've been tested, proven tested, and so we can put our name behind it.
Yeah.